Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use iptables on Linux. So first of all we need to go into terminal, so I will press on show apps right there and open the terminal. And what is iptables? Iptables is basically a command line utility for managing Linux kernel packet filtering. It's basically a netfilter. And it allows you to, for example, block or allow network traffic, filter ports, set up basic firewall, or, for example, port forwarding. And how to use it. First of all, I will show you how to check the current iptables rules. We can check it by typing in sudo iptables and -l -v and -n. What this option stands for? Basically, -l stands for listing the rules, -v stands for variables, and -n stands for numeric output, no DNS, and with this option it is a little bit faster. And we will press enter. Of course, we have to type in the password, and as you can see, we have our iptables or rules right there, the input, forward and output rules. What does it mean? Basically, input means incoming traffic, output means outgoing traffic, and forward means forwarded traffic. How can we? First of all, we have to. I will show you how to add rules. And the most important rule is to don't lock yourself out, basically. So we have to allow loopback and established connections at the first. So how do we do it? We have to type in sudo iptables and right now -a input -e with -i, basically small I, lo -j and accept. This is the first rule. And the second rule, we start the same sudo iptables and right there again -a input, because we're doing it for the input section. And right now -m contract and right now city state and established and related -j accept. I think I didn't make any mistake. If I did, I will correct that, so we can press enter. It looks fine, so we can again type in sudo iptables -l -v -n, enter, and as you can see we have two new rules that we added right here, so everything is working. And right now I will show you some commands that you can use. They might be helpful for you. The first one is to allow SSH. I don't have SSH on my system, but I will show you how to allow SSH connections with iptables. We can do it by typing in, of course, sudo iptables and right now -a input and very important -p, because we are basically setting up the port, -ptcp i teraz -dport is 22, -j and accept. This is how you can allow SSH connections. And what can I show you now? For example, I will show you how to block a specific IP, for example. How can we block specific IP? By typing in sudo iptables -a input, and right now we have to type in our IP. So -h, and right here we have to type our IP. This is only example, so it doesn't matter, but if you want to basically block a specific IP, you have to type in the normal IP address right there and type in drop at the end. It will work. How can we block a specific port? We can block a specific port by typing in sudo iptables -a input -p tcp. That's basically, the syntax is basically the same as I showed you with SSH, but maybe I will show you again. So -port -dport, and we'll block port 80 because this is a port that stands for HTTPS. HTTP basically. HTTPS is 443 if I remember correctly, but -j and drop as with the SSH example. And right now maybe I will show you how to maybe block everything else, only except the allowed traffic passes. So we can do something like this: sudo iptables -p input and drop. We will drop everything. Sudo iptables -p forward and again drop, and sudo iptables -p output, and we will accept that. That basically means that we now only allow basically we broke everything except the allowed traffic passes. We can again type in iptables -l -v and -n, and as you can see it basically works the same, but these comments worked. How can we maybe delete a rule? So I will show you. We have the rules right there. How can we delete them? We can type in sudo iptables -l and right now input, because we have it in input, and the number of the line, so for example 2. I think it should work. It worked, I think, and right now we can type in sudo iptables -l -v and -n. As you can see, we had it right like this. It didn't work, so I will type another command, because I think we have to use this thing right there, so this 8. So input and 8 maybe, I think. And right now if I will type in this again, I will pause the video. I will go back to you if I will fix that, because I don't think why it doesn't work. Okay, so I'm back and I find out basically how to do it. We have to type in sudo iptables -d and right now input and the line that we want to basically remove. So input 2, I wanted to remove this line. I type in 2, and as you can see right now it didn't work. And I think if I will type basically -1 and again like this, but maybe we have to again restart the terminal, because sometimes it likes to lag. So sudo iptables -l -v and and we have to wait a bit. As you can see, it worked. I have a temporary failure in name resolutions, that's why it took so long, but as you can see, after this command that I used before, we don't have any rules right there. And how can we flush all rules? Basically, we have to type in, I will type you basically only the comments, I will maybe not use them. So iptables -f, we can use -x, and again, in order to accept, because we disabled everything, we have to type input accept, for example like this, and I disabled also the forward, so forward also we have to type in accept. And that's all in this video. I'm sorry if it was a little bit chaotic because I had some technical problems, but I think it was okay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.